If you want to have your own business and work from home in 2021, and if you probably thought of selling online courses, you're in the right place. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial and the links I'll put down in the description below. Please make sure you like. If you find this tutorial informative, subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. Here, I'm going to give you 5 best niches for creating online courses in 2021. You have to understand, distant education is part of the present for the future to come and is marketing and growing at an incredible pace. Among the main objectives of the people who are diving into this online learning world is a career change, acquiring new skills, and getting academic certifications. So the possibilities for those who want to create and sell online courses or sell pre-made online courses are numerous, and there is certainly something you could teach that there are people wanting to learn. So the list below, I will show 5 profitable niches for online courses with the links in the description to check out. Number 1, computer and technology. In the digital age we are living in, it is increasingly necessary to understand and be on top of the use of technology in its various forms. IT-related positions are among the most valued in the market, and online courses in programming, web development, and so on are attracting a large number of students in this niche. You could create online courses about programming for beginners, different programming languages, website constructions, machine learning and AI, operating systems, cybersecurity, robotics. Number 2, business and entrepreneurship. Another change that occurred with the advance of technology was the opening of startups in the most diverse niches, including generating new solutions and professions that did not exist before. Entrepreneurship has become a slogan in teaching people with many ideas and little market experience how to run a business, and making a profit is an excellent bet. The possibilities in this area are numerous, and you could create an online course on affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, work from home and succeed, digital marketing, and small business accounting. Number 3, writing and content creation. Content is the law in the virtual world and profession that did not exist a few years ago. Content producers for social media are being highly sought after. In addition, many deals are done exclusively via the internet nowadays, and most of the communication is written. As writing has never been the strength of the vast majority of people, copywriting courses are on the rise and must continue. Examples of topics covered by this category includes copywriting, content marketing, blogging, grammar review, writing and book publishing. Number 4, health. Health seems to have come into fashion in recent years. Bloggers who show a fit lifestyle accumulates followers on social network, and everyone wants to know how to eat better, avoid wrinkles, and gain more muscle. Apart from this, the change in dietary habits driven by doctors, nutritionists, and even activists struggling for a meatless diet open a great opportunity for professionals who want to share the knowledge in the area. Some popular courses are diet and nutrition, home exercises, vegan cooking, meditation, yoga, skincare, soap and handmade creams, aromatherapy. Number 5, personal development. Reflection of an accelerated society, online personal development courses are on the rise. People want more, and for this they are struggling with the constant need to be better and do more. With personal development courses, individuals gain an understanding of how to deal with everyday challenges, decrease stress, and develop important skills to lead a happier life. Here are some examples: time management, mindfulness, emotional intelligence, organization, how to be a good leader. Now you have all these ideas for creating popular online courses. It's time to set your theme. You can also hit the link below for the step-by-step to create online courses. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. To help you get started, keep in mind these will be pre-courses you can check out and paste to your website or social media. Once again, please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Like if you find this tutorial informative, comment below once again what you would like to get certified in, and I could personally send you a link to check out. You can check me out on Facebook also under Markie Williams, and there I will also have an online certification page where you can follow as well. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.